The troubleshooting steps contained in this video can fix most Cricut Design Space software errors, including blank screens, startup errors, composition and purchase data errors, as well as other software-related issues. I'm going to walk you through all 6 steps from the least effort to most effort, and they don't need to be performed in any particular order. Step 1. Force reload. If you're able to load up Cricut Design Space but the screen is blank, you should be able to click the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner, hover over View, and then click Force Reload. Alternatively, you can hold Ctrl, Shift and R on your keyboard to perform the same function. This will force your Cricut Design Space to reboot itself. If that doesn't work, or you can't open Cricut Design Space to begin with, move to Step 2. Close and reopen Cricut Design Space 3 times. You heard me right, this is a genuine fix that can sometimes resolve common issues. I'm not sure why 3 is the magic number, but it works, particularly if you've got a blank screen issue. If that doesn't work, move to Step 3, switch to Beta. Cricut Design Space has 2 modes, the live version, also known as the production version, which most people are using. It's supposed to be more stable and reliable for everyday use. The beta version of Cricut Design Space is a development version, where upcoming features can be tested. There can be times where bugs exist in the live version, but not in the beta version and vice versa. So it's worth switching between the 2 to see if you can resolve your error. To do this, go up to your name in the top right-hand corner and click Settings. Under the General tab, halfway down you'll see Application Experience. Change this to Beta. If you've been using Beta, switch it to Live. Then click Done and your Cricut will reinstall and relaunch itself in the new version. If that doesn't work, switch your Cricut Design Space back to Live by repeating these steps and go to Step 4. Restart your computer and Cricut machine. This one seems like a no-brainer, but restarting your computer and Cricut can resolve a lot of common issues. Click the Windows button in the bottom left-hand corner of your computer and click the power button and then click Restart. Unplug the USB from your Cricut and turn it off completely. Once your computer restarts, open Cricut Design Space first. Then plug the Cricut USB back into your computer and turn your Cricut on. If that doesn't work, move to Step 5. Clear the cache. A cache is a quick access storage area which is used by Cricut Design Space to retrieve temporary data of all the projects you've completed. If you don't clear this temporary storage cache from time to time, your Cricut can run slower than normal or can experience errors. By clearing the cache, we aren't deleting the projects you've saved. We're simply getting rid of temporary data that's taking up precious space. Here's how to clear the cache. Close Cricut Design Space. Click the Windows button down here in the bottom right corner of your computer and type the word File Explorer. In the left sidebar, find this PC, then find the local disk C drive, look for a folder that says Users and double-click to open it. You should then see your computer name on one of the folders. Double-click that. Then at the top here, you'll see a folder that says Cricut Design Space. Double-click. Then double-click the folder that says Local Data. Once this folder is open, delete everything you can see inside that folder. Go to your desktop and right-click the Recycle bin to empty it. This will ensure no files are left on your computer. Now you've cleared the cache, open Cricut Design Space and see if your issue has been fixed. If that doesn't work, move to Step 6. Uninstall and reinstall Cricut Design Space. This will also make sure you're on the latest version and will just reset everything from scratch. Close any windows of Cricut Design Space that you have open. Click the Windows icon at the bottom right-hand corner of your computer. Type Cricut and then the Cricut Design Space logo should appear. Right-click the application and click Uninstall. This will take you to a settings screen with all the apps you have installed on your PC. Type Cricut in the search bar. Click these 3 dots and click Uninstall. Now your Cricut Design Space is uninstalled, we also need to delete the Cricut Design Space folder on the computer. Click the Windows button down here in the bottom right hand corner and type the word File Explorer. In the left sidebar, find this PC and double click. Then find Local Disk C drive, and in the Local Disk C drive, look for a folder that says Users and double click to open it. You should see your computer name on one of the folders and double click on that. Then at the top here, you'll see a folder that says Cricut Design Space. We're going to delete this folder completely so there's no remnants of Cricut Design Space being on your computer. Go to your desktop and right-click the recycle bin to empty it. This will ensure no files are left on your computer. Now navigate to Cricut Design Space Download and click the top link. Click the checkbox to say you agree and download Cricut Design Space. Once downloaded, locate the file in your download folder and double click on the Cricut Design Space icon. Cricut will install itself and automatically open once it's complete. Make sure when you open Cricut Design Space that you select the correct machine from the drop-down here, as it will usually default to Explore 3. Hopefully one of these steps has resolved your issue. At this point, you've really done all you can to fix the problem. So if the issue is still there, I encourage you to give Cricut support a call so they can provide more in-depth troubleshooting on their side. Cricut's phone number is different depending on the country you live in, so I'll pop a link to their Contact Us page in the video description. If you have managed to resolve the issue with these instructions, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more great Cricut content. Thanks for watching.